Hello everyone, welcome to the problem solving session of pair of linear equations. In this session we are going to solve a problem based on cross multiplication method. So here is the question. It says solve the following pair of linear equations using cross multiplication method. And the equations are 2x plus 3y equals to 46 and 3x plus 5y equals to 74. We are going to solve this question using particular steps. So first of all, we'll understand this question. We are given with two equations and we have to find the values for x and the value for y. And we have to use cross multiplication method. And we already know for solving pair of linear equations using cross multiplication method, we need to use the following formula. So let's start with the first equation. We can write this equation as 2x plus 3y minus 46 equals to 0. We brought 46 to the left hand side, it became negative 46. And second equation is, and we can write this as 3x plus 5y minus 74 equals to 0. Similarly, this 74 we have brought to the left hand side and it became negative 74. And for using formula, we have to consider a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. So for coefficients of x, we give name as a1 and a2. a1 for 2 and a2 for 3. Similarly, for coefficients of y, we give name as b1 and b2. Similarly, for constants c1 and c2. Let us list out the values for a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. So when we apply these values in formula, we get the following result. So now you can see that we have substituted values for a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 into their respective places according to the formula. So when we calculate, we get x upon minus 222 plus 230 equals to y upon minus 138 plus 148 equals to 1 upon 10 minus 9. And solving further, we get x upon 8 equals to y upon 10 equals to 1 upon 1. So these three terms are equal. So we'll consider two terms at a time, that is x term and constant term, y term and constant term. And you should remember that there is no use of taking these two terms together. Since they both contain unknown values, you will not be able to get any value for x or y. So let's start with this combination, that is x by 8 equals to 1 by 1, that is 1. So therefore x becomes 8. So we got the value for 8. Now let's take this combination, that is y upon 10 equals to 1 by 1, that is 1. So therefore y equals to 10. So we got value for y. So according to the question, we are asked to find the values for x and y. So in answer, we can write that x is equals to 8 and y equals to 10. Let's have a glance at the steps we have followed to solve this pair of linear equations.